creating compelling sales presentations is more than just displaying data. It's all about transforming raw numbers into narratives that will resonate with your audience in a way that will inspire them. In this video, we're going to do just that. We're going to explore advanced strategies that leverage data-driven storytelling and brand-aligned visuals to captivate and persuade your clients effectively. So without further ado, let's go. So first up, we have the hero method. One of the most effective approaches to effective storytelling is the hero method. The hero method is a storytelling approach that follows a protagonist's journey, with H for hero, obviously, the character's starting journey, E for engagement, that is facing the challenges, R for resolution, that is overcoming obstacles, and finally O for outcome, that is transformation and return. Imagine your presentation as a classic story where your solution is the hero that overcomes a significant challenge, the villain. For example, consider a logistics company grappling with rising operational costs due to inefficient fleet management, okay? So here, the problem serves as the villain disrupting their operations. Introducing your AI-driven SaaS platform as the hero that optimizes fleet routes, cutting costs by 20%, sets the stage for a transformative journey. By the end of your presentation, you showcase the transformation. The company saving $200,000 in the first year and reducing delivery delays by 15%. This method not only presents the data, but also frames it in a way that emotionally engages your audience, making them root for your solution. Now it's time for the before-after bridge framework. Another very powerful framework is the BAB approach. This method allows you to clearly illustrate the transformation your solution brings. Start by painting a picture of your client's current challenges. That is the before scenario. For instance, you might highlight that a client's fleet was operating at only 75% efficiency, leading to high fuel costs and unhappy customers. And then you transition to the after scenario. With your SaaS platform, your fleet's efficiency increases to 90%, cutting fuel costs by $150,000 annually and increasing on-time deliveries by 20%. Finally, bridge these two scenarios together by explaining how your AI-based route optimization software made this transformation possible by analyzing traffic patterns in real time and suggesting more efficient routes. So this clear progression from the problem to solution and to outcome easily helps your audience to grasp the value that you're offering them. Next up, we have data-driven empathy. Sometimes numbers alone aren't just enough to make a lasting impact. And this is where data-driven empathy comes into play. By connecting metrics to human emotions and real-world impacts, you make the data more reliable and memorable. For example, instead of just stating, you could save $200,000 annually, visualize this savings with a progress bar or a before and after comparison. A progress bar moving from 0 to 100% effectively demonstrates the tangible impact of implementing your fleet optimization tool. And this approach right here not only makes data easier to understand, but also underscores its significance in a way that resonates emotionally with your audience. And now let's turn data into narratives. To make data truly compelling, focus on the metrics that matter the most to your audience. Select one or two impactful figures such as ROI or cost savings and visualize them clearly using tools such as Excel to create clean graphs or charts. For instance, a bar graph comparing pre- and post-implementation costs with annotations like projected $200K savings in year 1 immediately communicates the financial benefits of your solution. By connecting these numbers to your client's specific goals and pain points, you ensure that the data isn't just presented. It's meaningful and persuasive all at the same time. This method helps your audience understand not just what the numbers are, but why they're imperative to their business. And of course, now it's time for my personal favorite, using captivate for brand consistency. Maintaining brand consistency is crucial for professionalism and building trust with your clients. captivate AI offers features like auto-branding, which automatically applies your client's brand colors and fonts across all slides once you upload their logo. And this ensures a cohesive and impactful presentation without the need for manual work. Additionally, leveraging pre-built layouts designed for specific sales scenarios can save you time and maintain visual consistency throughout your presentation. To make your deck truly unique, start with a basic layout, and then layer in custom elements such as testimonials, case studies, or unique graphics that align with your client's brand identity. This approach not only enhances the visual appeal of your presentation, but also reinforces your commitment to the client's brand. By combining these methodologies with strong data visualization and brand-aligned design, your presentations become powerful tools that effectively communicate your value proposition and persuade your audience. So whether you're using the HERO method to create an emotional journey, the BAB framework to provide clear transformations, or data-driven empathy to connect metrics with real-world impacts, these strategies ensure your data-driven narratives are both logical and emotionally engaging. With tools like Dectopus that are facilitating brand consistency, you can focus on crafting compelling stories that resonate with your clients, ultimately increasing your chances of winning deals. Advanced visual storytelling techniques elevate your sales presentations from mere data displays to compelling narratives that will resonate with your audience. By applying the HERO method, BAB framework, and data-driven empathy, and by leveraging tools like Dectopus for brand consistency, you create presentations that are both logical and emotionally engaging. These strategies ensure that your data not only informs, but also persuades and inspires action, ultimately increasing your chances of winning deals. Stay committed to telling stories that actually matter, and sit back and watch your presentations leave a lasting impact.